Couponing with Teaser. Hey, everybody. Happy Sunday to you all. Today is Sunday, October the 29th. These are the deals of the week starting for Walgreens for this week. And this is our last Sunday in the month of October. So we made it, guys. We made it through another month. Hope your month was great. There's some pretty decent deals that are happening this week. You know, deals always slow down at the end of the month. I actually did not get a spin booster for this week. I know, shocker, right? On either one of my accounts. But I do have a few register rewards that I'm going to be using today to help lessen my out of pocket, because I have 2 that expire tomorrow. So I just want to make sure they get used before I can't use them anymore. I'm not wasting that money. But yeah, without further ado, let's head into Walgreens and see what deals are popping this week. The complete home trash bags are on promotion again this week, 3 for $4.99. That's going to make them about $1.66 each. So just scan them in your app to see which ones are on promotion this week and stock up. The Scott toilet tissue, which is $5, has the $1.25 IVC coupon available again for this next month's promotions. With the $5 minus the $1.25 IVC, takes it down to just $3.75. Now, normally throughout the month, they will give us like a $1 digital coupon, which will take them down to $2.75. And we'll also get rebate offers on Alexa, ShopMim, or sometimes even Swag Bucks for $1 back if you don't have that $1 digital coupon when they give them out later this month. Another Scott product that's a part of that is the paper towels. They are also $5, and that $1.25 IVC coupon comes off of that as well. Remember, the IVC coupon can be used multiple times in one transaction. So say you pick up 4 products, say two paper towels and 2 of the tissue, that $1.25 will come off of each and every one of them. There's another great promotion that's going on with Bounty, Charmin, again, I think Tide is included in that well, but I'm going to pick up one of these Bounty Essentials. It's not marked in store right now, but they are on sale this week for $5.49. Next, I'm going to pick up a pack of these Charmin Essentials 6 = 24 pack. They are not marked again in the store, but they are part of the deal, and they're $5.49. I'm going to use a $1 digital coupon that I have for these. So I'm going to pick up a pack of these Gang Fleens. They're marked for $7.49 in my store. There's like the 16 count ones, but they're actually $5.49. I am going to use a $1.50 digital coupon I have on my account. Then I'm going to pick up one of the Gang liquid detergents, the ones marked $8.49, which is like the what is it, that the 46 ounce ones. They are also $5.49. I do not have any digital coupons with it, but I'm going to use like a register reward to take its place. So the total for all 4 is $21.96, but I'm going to use the $1 digital for the Bounty, the $1 digital for the Flings, and the $1 digital for the Charmin Essentials. That's going to take me down to $18.96. But I will get back the $5 register reward. That's going to take me down to just $15.96. So that's going to average out for each one of these items at $3.99 for each one. Now, if you may have higher, or you may have some just for you type coupons on some of the products, which could be a little bit higher in value. And I'm sorry, guys, it's 50 cents less. The Gain Flings is a $1.50 digital coupon. So let me tell you guys again what that total is. $13.46 total. Sorry, guys. I thought it was $1, but it's $1.50. But again, you may have different values for your coupons. Again, if you have some register rewards, you can use those as well. And remember, this is a buy deal, and because it's a buy deal, you can roll Walgreens cash to help lessen your out of pocket. Now, there is another laundry deal that is going on, the 4 for $10. So I'm going to pick up the items so I can show you guys exactly which ones are included. So here is a visual of all of those products that are included in that 4 for $10. Again, you can mix and match. You can load up on the liquid. You can load up on the dryer sheets, whatever you want to load up on. Pick up 4 of them for $10. That leaves them at about $2.50 each, which is an awesome price considering in my store they're normally like $6.50 $5.49, $6.79, things of that nature. And again, it is a buy deal, so you can use register rewards, especially if you don't have any digital coupons, and you can use Walgreens cash again to lessen your out-of-pocket cost. Just perusing along, you guys, and I found a couple of things that have been marked down. So look in your store for these scents. They're about half off right now. Some of them smell really good. And then these Kim K like energy type drinks, those are marked down. But yeah, definitely check your fragrance areas to see markdowns on some of the fragrances. Also looks like Sally Hansen select ones are marked down on to clearance, so just check your nail area to see what's been marked down in your store. But Sally Hansen has definitely been marked down. Like Neutrogena products in my store have also been marked down. So have the Pixie, those items marked down. Looks like a lot over here in cosmetics has been marked down with some of the Wet n Wild, and over here in ELF, which is what's that, eyes, lip, and face, marked down. Revolution, yeah, Revolution's been marked down, and so has Revlon products been marked down. And some of our favorite, CoverGirl, marked down, and Maybelline has been marked down, and L'Oreal. So it's a lot of clearance stickers in my in my store right now. And right now it looks like CoverGirl is buy one get one half off. So yeah, definitely take advantage of the deals this week for clearance. The deal with the Old Spice is still going on when you purchase 2 of them. Again, it's one of the deals of the week. When you purchase 2, you'll get back a $4 extra care bug. They are, I'm sorry, $4 in registered reward. Sorry guys, wrong store. So they're $7. They're on sale. Again, store not marked. That'd be $14. I have a 3 off of 2 purchase. That's going to take you down to $11, but you'll get the $4 back. That's going to take you down to $7. But I have an Ibotta rebate for $5 back when you purchase 2 of them. That's going to leave your final total just $2, you guys, or $1 each. So not a bad deal at all. Keep in mind that that $2 Olay, that $3 off of 2 applies to the Olay as well. That is also on sale this week for $7. They just don't have an Ibotta rebate. There's a deal on Ivory soap, again not marked in my store, but these 3 bars, they are actually on sale for buy one get one half off. Buy 2, get back a $3 register reward. So for me, buy one get one half off at $4.29. It's going to be $6.44, but you're going to get back the $3 register reward, leaving you at just $3.44 or $1.72 per pack. That's not a bad deal. And while you're over here, if you're needing some hand soap, the Safeguard, again not marked in my store, is actually buy one get one half off, and buy 2 get back a $3 register reward as well. That'll be $7.48 for picking up 2. We do have a $1.50 digital coupon taking you down to just $5.48, but you'll get back that $3 register reward, leaving you at just $1.49 for each one. Not a bad deal. Another deal is on Head and Shoulders. It's going to be on these 12.5 ounces. Ones that are marked in my store for $7.99. They're actually on sale for $6. So you'll pick up 2 for $12. There is a $3 off of 2 digital coupons. So that'll leave you at $9 to pay. But you'll get back a $4 register reward if you purchase in store, or $4 Walgreens cash if you purchase online. That's going to leave you at just $5 for both, or $2.50 for each one. So if you love Head and Shoulders, this is a good deal to pick up this week at Walgreens. There's also a Crest and Oral-B deal that is going on. So I'm going to pick up the products so I can show you guys which ones you can pick up as a part of the deal. So here are 3 of the products I wanted to show you, and it's going to be on the Crest Pro Health mouthwash. The one, the 33.8 ounces, the Crest, the Crest toothpaste, this Pro Health one. Can't find the, let me show you guys the floral ounces. 5.1, and then the Oral-B toothbrush, the Pro Flex stain eraser. So all of these are $5. We have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that we can use that'll take us down to just $10. So you'll get the $5 register reward for purchasing 3. Purchasing 3 takes you down to just $5 for all 3, or equivalent to about $1.66 for each product. That's a phenomenal deal. Of course, I got to show you Colgate deal. That's a Colgate deal as well, because they have a pretty decent deal going on as well. So let me show you the products for the Colgate deal. Don't have the Colgate mouthwash that I wanted to get. So I'm just going to have to insert a picture for you. Pick up this Colgate Total at $4.50. I'm going to pick up this Colgate 360 toothbrush at $4.50 as well. Insert a picture of the Colgate mouthwash. They're all $4.50, and they're all a part of that promotion I showed you guys. When you pick up at least 2 of the items, you'll get $3 back in a register reward. So here are the 2 items. I inserted a picture of the mouthwash, but you only need to pick up 2 of the products. So let's say you can just pick up these 2. They're $4.50 each. That's $9. We have a $4 off of 2 digital coupon. Also, when you pick up 2, you will get $3 register reward, leaving you at just $2 or $1 for each one. Not bad. Guys, so here is everything that I'm picking up. I'm putting in 2 separate hauls because they're both the same deal of the week, getting back the same register reward. So I'm going to break it up into 2-cent transactions. I'm also going to use some register rewards before they expire. So let's go check out and see how it all turns out. All right, guys. So apparently I picked up the wrong items for my Crest Deal, so I ended up returning it. But I was able to show you guys a couple of items that were applicable to it. So just look for the display, look for the ones that are marked. If you're unsure, just double check in your app like I did, even though it still didn't give it to me, but it's fine. You can always return stuff. But the Gain deal did work out perfectly fine. You see the Flings, the liquid, the Charm, and the Bounty. What I did was I gave them the liquid one first so that $5 register reward could attach to it, and then the digitals came off for everything else. My subtotal was $13.46, $14.78 after tax. I used $10 in Walgreens cash, paid $4.78, and I got the $5 register reward back. So it's kind of like they swapped each other out, and then it would have cost me about $14.78. So that took the place of that. So it would have cost me $14 and $13.46 before tax for all 4 of those products. Then as I was walking out, I found this bad boy. I said, well, thank you, Lord, for the troubles that I had with the toothpaste. But yeah, those are my deals for the week, you guys. Again, just make sure your product's attached. If that register reward doesn't print off, you can always either submit it to Catalina, which is down in the description box, or you can just return the items. Yeah, and because I used register rewards in my other one, they ended up giving me back the money on a Walgreens gift card plus cash back for what I spent. So I didn't lose the value of my digital coupon nor my register rewards that I used. They gave it back to me in the form of a gift card and cash. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media accounts. Until the next time, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and God bless. Peace out.